So the next thing I'm going to be planting is the dwarf okra.
Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me?
Section. I think I really want to move that. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. And I also need to get a label for these two sections. I'm gonna plant the dwarf okra right in this section right here. I think I'm only going to plant a couple of okra plants. Because I still have okra from last year in the freezer. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And maybe I shouldn't go that way, because I do want to walk in here. So this is what I'm gonna do. Make a couple of rows. So I have my dwarf okra seeds right here. And I'm probably just going to put 2 a piece. So that is my dwarf okra. I got, let's just say 4 in each section. And I'm gonna widen these sections right here to be able to walk. Okay, so we're gonna take this container right here, which used to be a trash can, but it don't have no holes in it, so it just keeps the water. So I'm just gonna keep it to catch rainwater. I'm gonna rinse it out and let it do what it do. I know you're probably saying, why rinse it out? Just let the rainwater, because I don't want the crap that's in there to be in there. Feel me? Nah. We can sit there and catch some rainwater. Be beneficial for the garden. Another garden chore done. All right, so we have this little area right here cleaned up. I'm gonna get this thrown away. I'm gonna take this